So today on the table I've got myself a Samsung Galaxy A7 with the model number SM-A7000. So I've had it on the heat pad for a little while. I'm just using a flat metal pry tool with some isopropyl alcohol to open it up. And on this one it did lift up quite easily, so I suspect that this may have been replaced once in the past. But similar to the other older A-series phones, the screen comes out and the screen connects directly up to the mainboard without having to remove any of the mid-plate or mid-frame or anything strange. So it's a relatively simple screen to replace on this model. So just here I'm using a pair of tweezers just to disconnect the LCD flex connector. There's not even a little bit of plastic over it or a screw with a bracket. It's literally just a connector that you can push down, and that will hold it in. Do take note to keep the home button on the old screen. This one is bin worthy. And then from here is just to give it a quick clean as always. Since the glass didn't really fragment off, I don't need to worry about using a flat screwdriver to go around the outer perimeter. I'll just give it a quick brush over with the toothbrush and it should be all good. Now from here I'm going to use some B7000 frame adhesive. We'll go around the outer perimeter, make sure not to use too much near the sensors. Otherwise, if you get some glue on the proximity sensor or on the front facing camera, you're going to have a bad day with that. Some of the screens that you do purchase off the internet may already contain some double-sided adhesive already applied to them. Some won't, but I find this will give a better overall finish using the frame adhesive. So the replacement display that I had purchased did have the frame double-sided tape already attached. So right now I'm just having a bit of drama getting it off the backing tape. But that should be okay in just a second. And due to the lack of contact for the screen to make, I've decided to put some just very thin red tape on the back. And that should make sure that the screen doesn't go anywhere while the adhesive hardens.